The sun started to melt him and he wasn't happy. As the dog walked past him, the fuel made his nose tickle. Achoo! Sneezed the grumpy snowman, and his cat nose fell off.